So the sun's shining up there, blue sky up there, bit of fog on the ground though, so I've just got to wait for that to clear. Pre-flight's done. I can see blue out there now, getting there.
Rylstone traffic Delta Yankee India has entered runway 27, backtracking 27. Planned departure is runway 27 for upwind extended and climb to 6,500. Rylstone traffic. Rylstone traffic Delta Yankee India is rolling runway 27 for upwind departure. Rylstone.
Jeez.
India is turning downwind, number 1 for runway 05, Broken Hill. Broken Hill traffic, Delta Yankee India is clear of all runways, Broken Hill.
Here I am at Broken Hill Airport. Stay here the night and tomorrow to Marree. So I refueled to full tanks and off I went.
McKinley, 3,445 feet. Amazing country.
660, contact me 132819.
132819, just 660. So just 660. Marree traffic, Delta Yankee India is overhead, 1,200. Will advise on downwind for runway 04, Marree. Marree traffic, Delta Yankee India turning base for runway 04, Marree.
Cheese.
So I just arrived at Marree Airport in South Australia. It was quite a spectacular journey here, and so it's 1 p.m. local and the town is over there, and my plan is to go and visit Marree Man today, and then tomorrow I will do the circuit of Lake Eyre and we'll see how that goes. I'm so happy to be here. There is no terminal, but they have the coolest fuel truck in general aviation.
Okay, so we're at 7,000. Now I'll bring around, and there it is. So I'll do a descent. You'll see it from the side on our nose. Here we go. Power off. Idle. Here we go.
This geolith appeared around 25 years ago, just north of Finnis Springs, depicting an Aboriginal man hunting.